Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that larger institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both of the trending up and down sides of the equation. So that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending downside of the equation. Today is Wednesday, December the 6th. We have FSLR popping up in the #1 overall position, the TradeAlgo main dashboard on our website for our users and subscribers to take advantage of. 157% increase in institutional bearish pressure. So are we surprised that the stock is dropping more than 7% as a result? Well, it's important to have speed and transparency there. You can clearly see here at TradeAlgo's alerts tab that FSLR was picked up at 9:34 a.m. with over 4.5 times the average amount of institutional bearish pressure that is normally seen there. So if you had followed smart money transactions and done some put options, you can see this huge directional move it made. Let's go to the options flow and see how 99.8% of the options placed in the market today, $565 million puts. If you had followed smart money transactions and done put options, huge list of triple-digit returns. Let's just say you had done the $147 put option. This is the 15-minute candle. This is the 9:30 candle, the 9:45 candle. So a little bit of wiggle room in between, anywhere from about 50 cents to about $1. So let's say you got in somewhere between 75 to 80 cents. We'll call it a split even. Over a 300% return. However, it's not about squeaking every last percentage point out of it. As you can tell, sometimes the market moves very quick. It's about having the information and having the data to be able to make the transaction down there with someone like TradeAlgo, as opposed to getting it over here after it's moved over 300%. For example, maybe you didn't enter the trade until noon Eastern Standard Time, and then maybe you hopped out a little bit early before the end of the day at still a nice triple-digit return. Get your data down here. Stop chasing it over here. And it wasn't just FSLR. There are many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go through all of them. So let's just take a look at one or two more. Trending downside of the board, we have SYM and BXMT, both with huge increases in institutional bearish pressure. They both dropped more than 9% as a result. If we go to the TradeAlgo Alerts tab on the trending downside of the equation, we can see that SYM at 8:54 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is identified with double the average amount of institutional bearish pressure, so that is pre-market. With BXMT, you can see that that one was picked up at 9:39, just a few minutes after market open, with 4.64 times what's normally there. So what our technology is picking up on is typically in BXMT, only $22 million of the stock is traded in private exchanges by large market makers over a previous 7-day total average. Today alone, December the 6th, it's nearly $170 million. So over $100 million extra dollars than what it would normally receive in a fraction of the amount of time by some of the most influential market makers. Now it starts to make more sense as to why it's making such a large directional move. Same thing with FSLR, same thing with SYM, and the others that are identified at the top of the main dashboard. If you had followed smart money transactions and done put options, nice list of triple-digit returns here. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $21 put option. We know that our AI picked it up at 9:39 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that would be between these two candles, which would be the 9:30 and 10:15 candle. Options averaged at about 35 cents. So at its maximum, at over 200% return, even by the end of the day, still up 144% for a triple-digit move. Let's go ahead and take a look at SYM to go ahead and round out the day. You could see a nice list of triple-digit returns here as well. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market. Come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.